Hello, my name is Megan Roth and I chose the resource of Bulb. The logistics of this, how to access this website, you just go to this link here that I attached, and if you have an account, you can log in here, which I do. To talk about the money, to start a Bulb portfolio, the general package is free. There are numerous other types of accounts that you are able to purchase. The requirements are Wi-Fi. How to create an account, you go to the link I provided, click sign me up. Instead of pressing login, you would go sign up for free. And then select which package you would like to have, fill out the personal information, and then verify your email. How to get started with this resource. First off, you can type a biography of the classroom webpage that what you want it to consist of right here. And then you're also able to add a photo, and then to create any posts that you want, you will go down to this create button, add any post that you think will benefit the betterment of your classroom. How to save and share / distribute. After completing the post, you will go to the share button on the top right hand corner, and then you are given the option to share with whoever you want. So if I were to do this, I'd go to create page, title, and then we'd go up here to share. You can do public, custom, those are your options there. Suggestions on use in classroom. Grade levels. I find that this resource could be used for any grade level, but most prominently 6th through 12th grade. The content areas. This resource can be of use in any content area that is wanting to share information. Specific uses. I personally would use this resource to create a classroom page for each of the classes that I teach. I could also have my students make a profile for each one and share any fun activities that we've done throughout class. And then I would also consider using this page to create a page for each vocabulary word of a unit. So my connection to Bloom's taxonomy would be when a student uses Bulb, they are creating a page where others can come to learn. Creating is one of the higher order thinking skills from Bloom's taxonomy. Then the SAMR model, when using Bulb, you are allowing students to use technological resources that allow them to complete new and improved tasks.